Welcome back, everyone. Well, certainly not feeling like mid-October across Acadiana today, and really that's going to set the tone for above normal temperatures for a better part of this week with minimal rain chances at least through midweek. We'll get to the specifics here in just a little bit, but first let's go ahead and take a look at the upper level pattern here. And we have an upper ridge sitting in the Gulf of Mexico, and that's keeping things on the dry side across our region. And then notice any significant upper level disturbance or weather features staying well off to our north, and really that's the way it's going to stay here for a better part of this week. Now, all the showers and storms today staying well off into Texas, kind of rounding around that high pressure system here on the outer periphery, leaving us mainly with fair and partly cloudy skies across Acadiana. But notice the southerly flow still in place, so that's giving way to more uncomfortable deep dew points and warmer temperatures. Highs today topping out in the mid-80s, and those mid-80s are going to be sticking with us at least through the next few days. Now, switching gears to the enhanced satellite imagery here, crystal clear out across the Gulf of Mexico, but as we open it up into the Atlantic Ocean, we did have tropical storm Epsilon form earlier this morning. We'll get to the track here in just a little bit. Elsewhere, we are continuing to monitor one area here in the northwest Caribbean Sea, but chances continue to go down for development, now only around 10%. Most of the models continue to back off any sort of development here in the next 5 days, but some of this lingering moisture will make its way into the Gulf of Mexico, helping to elevate rain chances for portions of the Gulf Coast as we head a little bit later on to this week, but no significant threat to anyone along the Gulf Coast, so certainly that's the good news. Here's Tropical Storm Epsilon as of the 4 o'clock advisory. Those winds at around 45 miles per hour, essentially stationary here, and putting the track forecast into motion, slowly making its way out into the open Atlantic here, getting awfully close to Bermuda by Friday, but as a hurricane should stay off to the east of the island, so certainly that would be the good news, and then continuing out to sea, but no threat to the Gulf of Mexico nor to us here in Acadiana. So waking up tomorrow morning, we will be dealing with some patchy fog out there a little bit later on tonight into tomorrow morning. That'll last through mid-morning before it burns off here. Low temperatures in the mid to upper 60s, and then through the course of tomorrow afternoon, partly cloudy skies expected once again. Another warm one out there. We'll see those high temperatures in the mid-80s. Rain chances no better than 10%. Similar start as we head into Wednesday morning with those low temperatures in the upper 60s, and then through the course of Wednesday afternoon, mainly sunny skies. Rain chances no better than 10%, and high temperatures perhaps even at a degree or two warmer as they top out in the mid to upper 80s. So overnight tonight, we'll see those lows dropping back into the mid and upper 60s. Mainly clear skies this evening, giving way to patchy fog a little bit later on tonight into tomorrow morning. And as we head throughout Tuesday, partly cloudy skies through the afternoon. Another warm one again. We'll see those high temperatures in the mid 80s. Rain chances no better than 10%. And east-southeasterly wind at around 4 to 8 miles per hour tomorrow afternoon. Next 10 days, no real issues weather-wise, but again, we will be on the warmer side with those high temperatures in the mid-80s for the better part of this week. Best rain chances come on Thursday, but still not necessarily dealing with a washout or anything like that. Upcoming weekend looks pretty good with temperatures settling back into the lower 80s. And next front doesn't look to arrive, unfortunately, until early next week. But again, we still have to watch the trends this week, see how this plays out. Some of the models still not coming into great agreement, and so the exact timing and strength of that front is still yet to be determined.